Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share responses from Google Forms. So here I have two responses, and there's actually two ways to share these. Okay, one is through a PDF and the other one is through Google Sheets. But the PDF one, it is basically individual, so you would have to make multiple PDFs for each person. And maybe you want to share the score with them, you can do that. You can click on print response, right? And then make sure this one is toggled as save as PDF, and then we will save all the pages and then click on save, and we will be saving this PDF. So there we go. I can save it as such and then share it with that person via email, for example. The other way is much better because when people add more responses, it's automatically saved. So we send these responses to a spreadsheet. So click on a link to Sheets. Okay, we'll create a new spreadsheet. Click on create right here. And there we go. It will open up a spreadsheet in a new tab. You'll see the person's email, their score, and what they have answered for each. Okay, and all you need to do now is take this spreadsheet, you copy the link, right? And you share it with the other person you want to share the response with. Now, the only thing I need you to do is make sure you click on this icon first, click on share, and make sure you change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Just go ahead and copy that link and share it with them. Now, this way they are able to view the responses as well. Really that easy and simple.